இன்னைக்கு ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணிட்டேன். Okay, see here, today we are going to learn about two questions, two models there. One question is, they will ask number of notes, meaning, for example, if I go to a shop, I am having 500 rupees in my hand. Okay, I might have only one 500 rupees, right? Yes or no? Have you ever seen a form they will be given in the bank for deposit? For deposit, they will be giving a form. Have you ever seen that form? That will be having. Second, I am having a doubt of audio. Okay, I got the doubt. Yesterday I didn't on itself, right? Fine. Now fine. Let's see now. 500. One 500 note. Illana, what else notes we are having? 100 rupee notes we are having. Correct? So that means 500. Actually, observe that when I exactly multiply, I will get my 500 rupees only, right, all the time. Am I correct? Illana, what else type of notes? Okay, 50 rupees notes. How many 50 rupees notes? 10 50 rupees. This is number. Number of notes. Am I correct? Idu value of note. Yes or no? Value of the note. This is number of notes. So, how many notes are here? Total number of notes in this? You got only one. Here we got how many? Correct? Here how many we got? Are you clear with that, right? Suppose I asked, orange color note irukkum nalla irukkum, give me that note. I asked, orange color note enna 200. Okay, then he gave me 200 patala. Yes or no? Then he asked, I will give இன்னொரு orange color, but கொஞ்சம் orange கம்மியா இருக்கும். Okay, okay, give me. Then he gave me 10 ரூபாய் notes. Okay, adu அந்த color தான கொஞ்சம். Yes or no? So that will be how many notes he gave me? 10. Total how much all together? Idu vandu 400 plus idu vandu 100 mottama sethi again 500 da. Ipa number of notes total evalu? Total number of notes evalu? Idu 2 idu 10. Is that clear? So number of notes add panna mudiyum, no problem. How many notes you got, sir? I got 12 notes. Clear? Now I will give you one riddle. Same 500 rupees only. Okay? You should get okay, மொத்தமா 20 note I want. 20 note. 20 note. 25 rupee note irukada? Che. I have 25 rupees note. Abhi 25 you are telling. Thank you. You understand? Understand my question? Hey, stay in reality. Do you have 25 rupee note? Abhi understood my question? எத்தனை notes I want? 20 notes வேணும். Tell me now. என்னென்ன notes நீங்க கொடுக்க போறா? மொத்தமா எவ்வளவு காசு? I give 500 only. You will give return 500 only or extra you will give? இல்ல சார் எடுத்துக்கோங்க அப்படி you will give extra. அப்படி எடுத்தா no problem, you can tell any number. Exactly, you don't want loss means 500 தான் கொடுக்கணும். So assign some notes so that total number of notes எவ்வளவு வேணும் எனக்கு? 20 note. என்னென்ன நோட் போட முடியும்? 50 rupees போடணுமா? எவ்வளவு 50 rupees? 10 அப்போ 10 முடிஞ்சிச்சு ரைட் 500 எக்ஸ்ட்ரா வில் கிவ் அப்போ ஏன் இது ராங் தானா 20 rupees notes how many 20 okay 20 there how much 400 she said 20 rupee notes okay number of notes 20 வந்திருக்கு ஏ கம்மி கொடுக்குற நீ இல்ல நான் அக்செப்ட் பண்ண மாட்டேங்க உனக்கு ப்ராஃபிட் நான் எனக்கு லாஸ் வேண்டாது நெக்ஸ்ட் எனி அதர் சி உங்களுக்கு ஹிண்ட்டுக்காக நான் இங்க நம்பர்ஸ் எழுதிட்டேன் 5 5 10 அப்படி 5 5 10 5 50 நோட் எடுத்தாச்சு 5 50 நோட்ஸ் எவ்வளவு ஆகும் ஓகே 5 10 நோட்ஸ் எடுத்தாச்சு எவ்வளவு ஆகும் 10 20 நோட் 200 மொத்தமா பாருங்க எஸ் ஆனா 500 வந்திருக்கா like that any kind of thing we can put together புரிஞ்சிச்சா இது so number of notes note oda value அது ரெண்டு will play the role what will play the role number of notes and the note oda value 20 note 500 note கொடுத்தா I will get it profit I will get but உங்களுக்கு லாஸ் தானா so value எவ்வளவு value வேணுமோ related to that you have to give the notes and number of notes. Is that clear? For example, Sujit stand up. How many 500 rupee notes are needed to get 5,000 rupees? Very good. Sit. How many 20 rupee notes are needed to get 2,000? Very good. Sit. Yes or no? Now we will send someone to the bank. We'll send someone to the bank. Hello? Okay. Let's see now, please. Purinjicha. Okay, we are going to talk about now one guy. Whom we will send to the bank? Trishan. Okay, Trishan only. Trishan. Write down the question, everybody. Question. Trishan. Trishan. Okay. Trishan. Good name. Okay, Trishan. Trishan went to a bank. Okay. To withdraw how much rupees 2,000 to withdraw how much 2,000 போதும் இதுக்கு நான் ஃபீஸ் பே பண்ணனும் ரைட் அதுக்காக ஏ பத்தாதுடா ஃபீஸ் ஓகே 2,000 event full stop he asked the cashier to give him 50 rupee notes and 100 rupee notes only. 100 rupee notes only. Okay, he has one requirement. What do you want? 50 rupee notes and 100 rupee notes only he want. Come first. 50 rupee notes and 100 rupee notes only he want. Clear? Move the third bench. Right. Okay. What is his requirement? He want only 50 rupee notes and 100 rupee notes. Understand? Okay. Only after getting the money, he will count, right? Yes or no? Then three son, three son got 25 notes. How much he got? 25 notes in all. Meaning total 25 notes he got. Okay. 25 rupees he got or 25 notes he got? Clear that thing now? Full stop. Find how many notes of 50 rupee and 100 rupee he received. So that is what our question. Understand? How many he received? Quiet. You don't know anything. Act like that. Understand? Fine. So let's see the answer. Okay. So, sir, how we will solve this, sir? Here very clearly they mentioned number of 50 rupee notes, number of 100 rupee notes. That's what only you have to find. So you will take that only. Number of let number of 50 rupee notes is equal to X. Number of 100 rupee notes Y. Correct? Number of 50 rupee notes X. Number of 50 rupee notes Y. Anybody has confusion in taking this? You need to find number of 50 rupee notes, number of 100 rupee notes. That's why you have chosen one as X, another one as Y. Clear that thing now? So, ipa nalla paranga X and Y indicates what? Number of notes. X and Y is not the money. X and Y is not the money. X and Y is number of notes. If you see the question carefully, three son got 25 notes. Yes or no? So can I write this? Number of notes total. Let me write total number of notes. And one thing you should avoid this writing of no. Don't write. Write the full name. Then they will cut and they will write no marks. Understand? Clear that thing now. Don't write that. Number of notes is equal to 25 is given in the question, right? Yes or no, Trishan? 25 you got it or not? 25 you got it right? Yes. But according to my consideration, it should be what? X plus Y should be equal to 25. This is your first equation. Put it in a box. Otherwise, it will go somewhere. Okay? Understood? First equation you got. Actually, getting the two equations is sufficient, right? Yes or no? That is what our main aim. Now observe. Observe very carefully. Total how much money he got? 2000. Yes or no? How many 50 rupee notes he got? Correct? 10. X. How many 100 rupee notes he got? Correct? How many 50 rupees? X. So, clearly. For example, stand up Sai Aditya. I gave you 3 50 rupee notes. How much money you got? How will you tell? 3 into 50, sir. That's why 150 I said. Understand? I gave him 7. How much he will be having in money? 7 into 50. That is nothing but number of notes into value. Will give you the money, right? Yes or no? Are you clear with that? The same way now I am going to create one equation. Sit. What is the equation I am going to create is total money received by, actually I want to use his name, that's why I'm writing three son. Total money received by three son is equal to how much? Correct? 2000. Clear that? Observe. Total money, if X 50 rupee notes are there, if X 50 rupee notes are there, how much of 50, how much value came from the 50 rupees? 50 into X. That's what only write, right? 3 into 50, 7 into 50. Like that X notes. X into 50. X into 50. Nothing but 50X. X into 50. Clear for everybody? Plus, yes or no? Plus 100 rupee notes also came, right? So 100 Ethna notes? Y. 100 Y equal to how much total? 2000. This is your second equation. Correct, right? Don't do any simplification. You write this because in their answer key this equation will be written. Understand? You should write it in the box. Then you do the simplification if you want. I hope everybody can divide it with 50. So you write it as divided by 50. What it will become? X plus 100 by 50. 2 y. How much is 2000 by 50? 40. This is your equation number 3. Is that clear for everybody? Yes or no? Fine. Now, which methodology will use to solve them? What I want to do? By elimination method, 2 minus 1 I am doing. Second, sir, 2 illa sir 3. Yes or no? 3 minus 1. What is the third equation? X plus 2y equal to 40. X plus y equal to 25. Since I am doing subtraction, I have to do sign changes for the second. Minus, minus, minus. So how much will be the value? X minus x cancel. 2y minus y? Y equal to 40 minus 25. How much? 15. Okay, y is equal to 15. You got it right? Now, you have to write substitute. Substitute. Y is equal to 15 in equation 1. What is the equation 1? X plus y equal to 25. Why you substitute? X plus 15 equal to 25. X is equal to 10. X equal to 10 rupees. Should I write, Nilesh? I should indicate rupees or not? X. Yes. Y also 15. What are this X and Y? What is this X and Y? He is telling elimination method is solved. Okay, what is that X and Y? Number of notes. Number of notes. You should not indicate money. Number mother. Number. 3 50 ரூபாய் notes. So 3க்கு number அந்த rupee symbol போடக்கூடாது. It's not money, right? It's a counting. 50 ரூபாய் அதுக்கு போடணும். Clear, right? So therefore, what is your final conclusion? Therefore, 3 son got 10. How to make it properly? 10 number of 50 rupee notes. Okay, or else it doesn't look good for me. So what I am doing? 3 son got. Okay, 3 son got. 3 son got 10. See, 10 and 50 I don't want to put beside. 10 notes of okay. 10, okay. Better and easy way for them to understand also. Very good. Number of 50 rupee notes. Okay. Notes received by three son equal to அப்ப இங்க போடக்கூடாது 3 son. Yes or no? How much? 10. Proper எழுதுங்க. Don't write like this. Okay, you have to write better. Number of 100 rupee notes received by 3. I will write his picture, you can understand. 3 son equal to 15. This means 3 son only. Okay, 3 son. Yes, correct. Understood? I hope everybody clear with the question, right? So this kind of question, what I will do is, for my clarity, I will make a small table. I will not. That is for which purpose that question? For 3 marks like that. But if it is for 2 marks, 1 mark, appadina, I will do like this. Okay. Here, one column I will use for number of notes. Okay. One column I will use for number of notes. Another column I will use for total value. Understand? Another column I will use for total value. Idu value of the notes. Okay. Which type of notes he got? 50 rupee notes, 100 rupee notes. How many number of notes? X. How many number of notes? I don't know. That's why I wrote X and Y. Total value how much? How much is this? 50 into X, 50X, 100 into Y, 100Y. Correct? Nalla parunga number of notes is rendu setna you will get total, right? How much they mentioned? 20. Oh, that means X plus Y is 20. Okay. X plus Y is how much? 25. This rendu setna what you will get? Total value only, right? Yes or no? How much is that? 2000. That means what is that? 50x plus 100y. That's it. Easier equations form ayichu paranga. Are you clear? So this column will give you one equation. This column will give you one equation. Understand? So in this way easily you can solve. Understand? Try to make this table. So what is the table? What is the table? Tell me. Okay, if you want, you can write one thing given. Is the total number. How much? 20. Total money. How much? 2000. Okay, why the 20 is coming to my mouth? We are putting konjam kammi for him. 25. Is that clear for everybody? I hope everybody clear, right? Now, next model of question we will do. Very important question. Lending library question. Also known as like fixed cost, variable cost question. What is this? Fixed cost, variable cost. Take the title fixed cost and variable cost problem. Nothing but it is a lending library problem we are going to see now. Whom will send to library? Whom will send to library? Quite. Aswati, Okay, Deepika is so dull. சார் வந்த அப்புறமே கத்திட்டாரு. She became so dull. Don't be dull, ma. Don't cry. இதுக்கெல்லாம் you should not cry. Hey, she is doing like this. Don't do. See, எப்படி போட்டார் அது? பண்ணக்கூடாது. Don't cry for this all. Hey. Is someone console her? Pavam. Okay, fine. Let's see. Don't cry. Aswati Anupanama? Okay. Right. A lending library has a lending library has a fixed charge for the first 3 days. And an additional charge for each day thereafter. Meaning, what is the meaning of this? Aswati is going to Aswini library. Okay, fine. Hey, don't feel bad. Don't want on the demand of public. Okay, so Aswini is எங்க எலி வந்திருக்கு. Okay, on the demand of friends, I am using the name. Okay va? Not okay va? Don't cry. Fine. Next time we will use their name. Don't worry. Ashwin Vendana Mogana Raja will go to library. Okay, we'll change the library name. Who is the owner now? Mogana Raja. Okay, Mogana Raj. Mogan Raj library இருக்குமா, கிண்டில இருக்கு. Okay, அங்க rules என்னன்னா, if you go and take one book, அவனுக்கு நீங்க காசு பே பண்ணணும். Okay, every library they will charge the money. அவன் என்ன ரூல் என்னன்னா, நீங்க புக் எடுத்து போங்க, ஃபர்ஸ்ட் 3 நாளுக்கு கொஞ்சம் காசு I will tell fix. அதுக்கப்புறமா still you want the book means ஒரு நாளுக்கு 5 ரூபாய் இல்லனா ஒரு நாளுக்கு 10 ரூபாய். ஃபர்ஸ்ட் 3 நாளுக்கு 30 ரூபாய் சொன்னாரு. அப்புறமா ஒரு like if you go to the bicycle parking, car parking, first 2 hours 100 rupees per hour, அப்புறமா 50 like that they will tell, right? The same way he also kept the rule. What he kept the rule? First 3 days ஒரு price. First 3 days. For example, நான் 5 நாளுக்கு புக் எடுத்தாச்சு. எவ்வளவு நாளுக்கு? 5 days. அதுல 3 நாள் பக்கத்துல வை. I have to remove the 3 days. Why? அந்த 3 daysக்கு நான் ஃபிக்ஸா பே பண்ணணும். அடுத்த 2 நாள் இருக்கு, ரைட்? ஒரு நாளுக்கு எவ்வளவு சார்ஜ் மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணணும். Is that clear? அந்த ஃபிக்ஸ்ட் சார்ஜ் ஃபார் 3 நாளா இல்லனா ஒரு நாளுக்கு ஃபிக்ஸ்ட் சார்ஜ்? 3 நாளுக்கு சேர்த்து 30 ரூபாய். Listen, I said fixed charge for 3 days. How much? 30 rupees I said. Fixed charge for 3 days how much I said? 30 rupees. And ஒரு நாளுக்கு 10 ரூபாய் அப்புறமா I said. ஒரு நாளுக்கு எவ்வளவு? 10 ரூபாய். I took 7 days. I took for how many days? 7 days. 7 లో 3 நாள் ரிமூவ் பண்ணணும். ஏனா 3 நாளுக்கு எவ்வளவு காசு? 30 rupees or 3 into 30. எது கரெக்ட்? வெறும் 30 கரெக்ட். Don't put 3 into 30. அந்த 3 நாள் சேர்த்து 30 ரூபாய். அப்புறமா எத்தனை நாள் இருக்கு எக்ஸ்ட்ரா? 4 days. அந்த 4 daysக்கு ஒரு நாளுக்கு எவ்வளவு? 10. ஒரு நாளுக்கு எவ்வளவு? 10 into 4 40. இஸ் தட் கிளியர்? மொத்தமா 70 பே பண்ணோம். ஏன்னா சில பேர் இது பண்ணிட்டாரு, பிக்ஸ்டு காஸ்ட் எடுத்தாச்சு 3 நாளுக்கு 30 ரூபாய், 3 into 30 போட்டாரு. அந்த 3 நாளுக்கு சேர்ந்து 30 ரூபாய், அது மைண்ட்ல வைக்கணும். இஸ் தட் கிளியர்? இட்ஸ் நாட் ஃபார் 1 Monday. 3 நாள் சேர்ந்து 30 ரூபாய். இஸ் தட் கிளியர்? புரிஞ்சிச்சா? ஃபைன். Now going. Who is going to that library? Aswati. Right. Aswati. Asavati. Asavat. Asavat. Okay. Asavat. Asavat paid. Asavat paid rupees 27 for a book kept for 7 days, comma, while leakage. Okay, fine. While Darshan, okay, while Darshan paid how much? Paid rupees 21 for the book she kept. Okay, Darshini. Book she kept for 5 days. Full stop. Find the fixed charge and the charge for each extra day. Let's solve. Answer. Okay, here in question itself will tell what I have to take x, what I have to take y. Find the fixed charge. The charge for each extra day. So fixed charge, treat it as x. Charge for each extra day, y. Write it properly. Let the fixed charge is equal to x. Correct? Yes or no? The charge for each extra day. See, if you want to be very clear, the fixed charge for 3 days is equal to x you keep. It will be more clear. Understand? Next. Charge for each extra day is equal to y. Each extra day is equal to y. That's what additional charge. Instead of that, write as it is. Charge for each extra day equal to y. Is that clear? Now we'll talk about Asavat. Asavat. Okay, Asavat. Asavat, Etananal kept with him 7 days. Yes or no? That 7 days should be broken down into 3 days plus. Correct? Yes or no? Why is the 3 plus 4? Why can't be 1 plus 6? Because 3 days fixed charge is there, right? That's why 3 plus 4 days. Correct? You tell me. First 3 days, how much charge? X plus 4 days. 4 into Y. Yena varu 4 Y. Don't write 3x plus 4 because I saw people are writing 3x. Are you getting? And the moon naal set x. And the moon naal set x. Clear? X plus 4y. How much he paid? He paid 27 rupees. This is your equation 1. This is your equation 1. Understood? Any confusion? No confusion. Now, who is the next one? Darshini. Darshini. Darshini Rani. Ramniya. Darshini Ramini. Okay, quiet. How many days he kept? 5 days. How to break down? 3 days plus 2 days. Everybody clear? Why I am breaking down 5 days or 3 days? Huh? What happened? Sneezing, fine. 3 days, how much is the cost? X plus 2 days, how much is the cost? Is equal to how much he paid? 21 rupees he paid. This is your equation number 2. Which method you will use? Which method? Any reason? A. XX is your bound. Okay. Right. By elimination method. What do you want to do? 1 minus 2. Write down the equations. X plus 4y equal to 27. X plus 2y equal to 21. Sign change. Minus. X minus x. Cut. 4y minus 2y. 2y. 26. Y is equal to 3. Y is equal to 3. Now, substitute. Y is equal to 3 in equation. Your wish. Okay. X plus 2y equal to 21. So, x plus 6 equal to 21. X is equal to how much? 15. Correct? Therefore, fixed charge for 3 days is equal to rupees 15. Yes or no? Rupees only write it is. And what is the next? Charge for each additional day. Yes or no? How much? 3 rupees. Is that clear? Yes or no? Easier? Very easy, right? See, your presentation should be like this. Is it looking good or not? Yes or no? It is easy for correction also. Okay, okay. Mono. Understand? Is that clear? If any one goes wrong now, you will lose the marks. Is that clear for everybody? Understand? Understood? Fine. Next. Next question. Write down the last question for today. Write down the last question for today. Please quiet. Please quiet. Okay, these are only the questions in your textbook. Okay, we have covered all the questions in our textbook. So in next class, we are going to do the class worksheet. Okay, what happened? Probability 3 word. Okay, next we have to do the class worksheet in this chapter. Clear? Fine. What happened? Fine. So now time is there, right? We'll do one question quickly. Yeah? Yes. Anybody brought maths material? Maths material I didn't send, right? Write down the question. Write down. Okay. Same kind of question I will give now. Now. Hello? Okay, right. Okay. There are two friends. Da. Let's see this friends question alone. Okay, take the title friends question. Friends question. Friends question. Please be quiet. What is that friends question means? There are two friends. One says, one person is telling, give me 100. What is telling? Give me 100. Give me 100. Whom is asking? Give me 100 rupees only. Give me 100. Tanika. Give me 100 Tanika. I shall become twice as rich as you. The other friend, who is the other? Tanika replying. Okay, the other friend, then Tanika replied. What she replies? If you give me 10, I shall be 6 times as rich as you. Tell me, what is the amount of their capital. First friend who asked is what is your name? Ritanya. Ritanya asked first. What she asked Ritanya to Tanika? Give me 100. Okay, first of all, we'll name their monies, how much they are having. So, how much they are having initially, first of all? So, uh, capital, you used the word capital, right? That's why I'm using the same. Capital with Ritanya. How much? X. Now, capital with who? Tanika. How much capital? Y. Correct? What is the situation one? Tell me. Scene 1. What is that? Give me 100. Who is asking? Money. Okay. Fine. First one. Ritanya asked. Give me 100 Tanika. That means Ritanya gains 100 means Ritanya what money evalago? X plus 100. 100 எடுத்தாச்சு என்கிட்ட 30 இருக்குன்னா 100 plus 30 130 ஆகும் அந்த மாதிரி. Then she said, I shall became twice as rich as you. 2 into rich as you. That means y minus 100. Why? Tell me. She gained 100 means she lost 100 only, right? Yes or no? After she take 100, she is comparing. Okay. What is this equation? Write properly. X plus 100 is equal to 2y minus 200. Altogether what it will become? X minus 2y equal to minus 300. Equation 1. Understood? Next scene 2. Who is talking now? Scene 2. Tanika. What she said, Tanika? I won't give 100. You give me 10 rupees. Podu. How much she is expecting? 10. That means how much will be the Tanika money? Y plus 10 should be equal to 6 times x minus 10. 6 times of that girl money. So what is the equation? Y plus 10 equal to 6x minus 60. So 6x minus y is equal to 70. Equation number 2. It's plus 70 only. Check yourself. Okay. I sent y to this side, 60 to this side. Understand? Now, we have to solve these two, right? Which method you will prefer? Which method? Substitution or elimination? Okay. So, by substitution, method, from equation 1, x is equal to 2y minus 300. Yes or no? Substitute x value in equation 2. So 6 2y minus 300 minus y equal to 70. 12y minus 1800 minus y equal to 70. 11y equal to 1800 plus 70. Correct? Yes. Yes. How much it will be? 1730. Correct? Yes or no? 74 level more. Sir, plus correct. 18. Very good. Correct. So y is equal to 170. Therefore, x is equal to how much? 2y minus 300. How much is that? 340 minus 300. 40 rupees. Yes or no? Okay. Therefore, capital with Ritanya equal to 40 rupees. Capital with who is the other girl? Tanika 170 rupees. Understand? Is that clear for everybody? Yes. Yes. The persons whoever I said they have to repeat these questions again. Understand? Fine. You can leave now.